572 Tango Mike, field in sight.
The 2 Tango Mike, cleared visual approach runway 17.
Visual 17, cleared 572 Tango Mike. Ooh.
Two Tango Mike, contact St. Joseph Tower on 126.9er.
Over to tower, 2 Tango Mike. St. Joe Tower, Bonanza 572 Tango Mike, visual 17.
Bonanza 572 Tango Mike, St. Joseph Tower, report 3 to the northeast for runway 17.
Report 3 to the northeast for 17, 2 Tango Mike.
Joe Tower, Bonanza 111 Gulf Sierra 3 to the southwest for right downwind 17.
Bonanza 111 Gulf Sierra, report right mid-field downwind for runway 17.
Wilco, Bonanza 1 Gulf Sierra.
Bonanza 2 Tango Mike, safe position.
2 Tango Mike, I'm 6 to the northeast. 2 Tango Mike.
Bonanza 2 Tango Mike, roger.
Bonanza 1 Gulf Sierra, right midfield downwind.
Bonanza 1 Gulf Sierra, runway 17, wind calm, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 17, Bonanza 1 Gulf Sierra.
Bonanza 2 Tango Mike is now 3 to the northeast.
Bonanza 2 Tango Mike, you're number 2, following an aircraft on a right base for runway 17.
Insight, 2 Tango Mike.
Bonanza 2 Tango Mike, you're number 2, runway 17, wind calm, clear to land.
Clear to land number 2, runway 17. Bonanza 2 Tango Mike.
St. Joe Tower, this is Link 900 Foxtrot Tango, 10 miles to the southeast, inbound.
Bonanza 1 Golf Sierra, turn left, Alpha 2, contact ground.
Alpha to the ground, Bonanza 1 Golf Sierra.
Last calling tower, say again.
Link 90, St. Joe Tower, this is Link 900 Foxtrot Tango, 10 miles to the southeast, inbound.
Swing 900 Foxtrot Tango, St. Joseph Tower, enter the left downwind for runway 17.
Left downwind, runway 17, Swing 900 Foxtrot Tango.
Swing 0 Foxtrot Tango, report 3 to the southeast.
Reporting 3 to the southeast, Swing 900 Foxtrot Tango.
Okay, green. Mr. Prop.
And St. Joe Tower, Charlie Fox, Charlie Alpha Hotel is 10 miles northeast landing.
Charlie Foxtrot, Charlie Alpha Hotel, St. Joseph Tower, report 3 to the northeast.
Sorry, taking the last part for Charlie Alpha Hotel.
Charlie Alpha Hotel, report 3 to the northeast.
We'll call you 3 Charlie Alpha Hotel.
And 2 Tango Mike, I made Alpha 2.
Bonanza 2 Tango Mike, turn left Alpha 2, contact ground.
Over to ground, Alpha 2, 2 Tango Mike. St. Joe ground, Bonanza 572 Tango Mike off at Alpha 2.
Bonanza 572 Tango Mike, St. Joe ground, good afternoon, welcome. Right turn on Alpha, first left into the ramp, have a good day.
Right, and then a left, you 2 Tango Mike.